Ever wondered why a local web design company could be your ticket to digital success? Let's dive in. Imagine navigating a city without a map. Daunting, isn't it? Now imagine a web design company trying to create a website without understanding the local market, the audience, and your business needs. The result? A website that doesn't effectively resonate with your target demographic. This is where local web design companies in Bronx, New York come in. They are your map, your compass, your GPS. They know the borough inside out, its pulse, its people, its unique quirks. They understand that what works in Manhattan might not necessarily work in the Bronx. They know that a Yankees fan might not appreciate a Mets reference. They get the local slang, the popular hangouts, the community events, and they use this knowledge to your advantage. They tailor your website to speak the language of your audience, to appeal to their tastes, to resonate with their experiences. A local web design company doesn't just create a website, it creates a digital space that feels like home to your audience. This local advantage extends beyond just understanding the audience. It also encompasses understanding the local business landscape, the competition, the market trends, the opportunities, the challenges. They can help you navigate this landscape, positioning your business to stand out and succeed. The local advantage also means that they can tailor your website to meet the specific needs of your business. They understand that a local restaurant might need an online booking system, while a local gym might benefit from a membership portal. They can customize your website to include these features, ensuring it not only looks great but also functions effectively. In essence, local web design companies get your audience because they are part of it. They don't just work in the Bronx. They live here, they shop here, they dine here. They are part of the fabric of this community, and this gives them an unparalleled edge when it comes to designing a website that truly resonates with the people of the Bronx. Now, let's talk about the power of personalized collaboration. This is a cornerstone of local web design companies, setting them apart from larger, more distant firms. Imagine sitting across the table from your design team, being able to share your vision, express your ideas, and get immediate feedback. It's an engaging experience that goes beyond emails and conference calls. In the world of web design, every detail counts. From the layout of your homepage to the color scheme of your logo, every element plays a crucial role in capturing the essence of your brand. With a local web design team, you're not just a client, you're a collaborative partner. You can actively participate in the design process, ensuring that your site truly reflects your business and its unique qualities. This hands-on approach provides an opportunity for a deeper understanding between you and your design team. They get to know you, your business, and your vision on a personal level. This intimate knowledge is then translated into a website that is not just aesthetically pleasing, but also tailored to your specific market and audience. Moreover, the advantage of face-to-face collaboration is the immediacy of feedback. Rather than waiting for emails or scheduled calls, you're able to discuss your ideas, ask questions, and receive responses in real time. This streamlined communication can significantly speed up the design process, making it more efficient and effective. Personalized collaboration also fosters a sense of shared accomplishment. Your success becomes their success, your vision becomes a shared goal. This mutual investment in the project leads to a final product that is not only professionally designed, but also imbued with the passion and dedication of everyone involved. So when you choose a local web design company in Bronx, New York, you're not just getting a service. You're entering a partnership, a collaborative journey towards creating a website that truly represents your brand and resonates with your audience. With a local web design company, your vision becomes a shared goal. Time is money. Let's see how a local web design company saves you both. The digital world is a fast-paced arena where every moment counts. In this hustle and bustle, a quick response can be the difference between success and falling behind. When you partner with a local web design company, one of the key benefits you'll enjoy is faster turnaround times. Imagine this. You have an idea for a website update that could significantly improve user experience and drive higher conversions. With a local team by your side, you can discuss this idea, see it developed, tested, and launched, all in a fraction of the time it might take with a remote team. Local web design companies, with their understanding of the local market and its dynamics, are able to swiftly incorporate these nuances into their design process. This means quicker project completion without compromising on quality. Now let's talk about response times. In the world of web design, Issues can arise at any moment. Maybe a page isn't loading correctly, or perhaps a new feature isn't functioning as expected. When these things happen, you need a team that can respond promptly and effectively. With a local web design company in Bronx, New York, you have just that. Their proximity allows for quicker communication, quicker troubleshooting, and quicker solutions. This means less downtime for your website, less frustration for your users, and more peace of mind for you. But it's not just about putting out fires. A local team is also more accessible for regular communication and updates. They're just a phone call or a short drive away, ready to answer your questions, address your concerns, or brainstorm your next big idea. In the digital world, speed matters, and local web design companies deliver. By offering faster turnaround times and quicker responses, they save you time, and as we all know, time is money. So if you're looking to establish or enhance your online presence promptly, consider the speed and efficiency a local web design company in Bronx, New York can offer. After all, in the race to digital success, every second counts. Let's explore how choosing a local web design company goes beyond just business. When you partner with a local web design agency, your investment is doing more than just boosting your own online presence. It's also feeding into the local economy, creating a cycle of prosperity that benefits everyone. Every dollar spent locally is a dollar that helps to build and support the community. It's an investment that goes directly into the heart of Bronx, New York, fueling the growth and development of the area. It's about fostering a vibrant and thriving local economy where businesses support each other. Choosing a local web design company creates a positive ripple effect. It's a catalyst for job creation, helping to generate new opportunities and careers in the digital realm right here in our borough. These are jobs that might not have existed otherwise, contributing to the overall economic health and resilience of the Bronx. But the impact goes even deeper. By choosing a local web design company, you're supporting local innovation and creativity. You're enabling talented web designers to continue honing their skills, creating cutting-edge websites that put Bronx, New York on the digital map. This helps to foster a dynamic and innovative local tech scene. There's also a sense of community that comes with supporting local businesses. When we invest locally, we're not just clients or customers, we're neighbors. It's about nurturing relationships and connections that extend beyond the business realm. It's about being part of a community that supports and uplifts each other. And let's not forget the satisfaction that comes from knowing that your success is also the success of your community. Your thriving website isn't just a win for your business, it's a win for Bronx, New York. It's a testament to the talent, creativity, and innovation that exists right here in our borough. In conclusion, by choosing a local web design company, you're not just investing in your own success, you're also investing in the success of your community. Your business success contributes to local economic growth. It's a win-win. Now let's focus on the importance of clear and consistent communication in web design. When you're creating a digital home for your business, you need to be sure that every brick, every corner, and every decorative element is in the right place. And how can you ensure that? Through seamless communication with your web design team. When you work with a local web design company, you're never left in the dark. They provide open lines of communication, making it easy to discuss updates, request changes, and seek ongoing support. This is where the local advantage really comes to light. You have the opportunity to engage in real-time conversations, ensuring your vision is translated accurately into the digital realm. But communication doesn't stop once your website is live. In the digital world, staying static is the same as falling behind. That's why ongoing support is crucial. Your local web design team is there for you, ready to make necessary updates, address any issues, and ensure your website remains optimized and up to date. In essence, working with a local web design company means you're partnering with a team that's invested in your success. They're just a phone call or a quick drive away, ready to listen, adapt, and act on your feedback. So whether it's a minor tweak or a major overhaul, you know you have a reliable partner at your side. With a local web design company, you're never out of the loop. So, why choose a local web design company in Bronx, New York? To recap, it's about understanding the local market, fostering personalized collaboration, ensuring quick turnaround times, supporting the local economy, and benefiting from seamless communication and ongoing support. These strategic advantages set local companies apart, making them an excellent choice for businesses looking to elevate their online presence. Elevate your online presence with the expertise of a local web design partner. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.